Moikka! I am Mari from Taiga Journals. Welcome to my channel. Today, let's do some whimsical art journaling. And I will show you the steps that I use to do this. I will use some acrylic paints and then I will use a makeup sponge that I have rounded. So this is very handy to use when you want to dab some colors to the page. Now I will mix up some paints and then I will just start the color adding to the spread. But yes, let's start the coloring fun and let's see where this goes. Hope you enjoy the video. Now the base layer is ready and next we need some decorations. I will use this watercolor paper and I will paint some random colors to this paper and then we will make the decorations from it. So yes, let's start the painting. Now the watercolor paper is dry and next you can think what kind of decorations would you like to add to your art journal spread and then you draw them to the paper. For example, you can do trees, bushes, houses, like little whimsy decorations, whatever comes to your mind. And then you just cut them with scissors and you glue them to the spread. I think I want to add some trees and maybe a little house and then some whimsy decorations. And I think I will do some hanging stars and maybe a moon. Let's start the drawing. Now the decorations are done and next I will add them to the spread. And there is a really big difference between the contrast of these. This might be the biggest contrast I have ever made between the decorations and the background. But this is interesting. Let's see how this turns out. It's always nice to do something new. Now the paper decorations are in their places, and now the canvas is ready for some marker decorations. So I will be using different kind of markers, and I will go with the flow and see how I want to decorate these. This will be a lot of fun and I am so excited. Yes, but let's start the coloring fun. The marker decorating is done, and next I will add a character and a quote. I think it wraps up this nicely together, but it really isn't necessary. That is just something that I like to do. And now I will use these new Taiga summer girls that I drew a couple of days ago. And I have these girls for sale on my Etsy shop as a digital download. So this new set is also now available there if you need character to your whimsical art journalings. And if you want to learn how to draw this kind of character, there is a tutorial on my Taiga Patreon account. I will put the link to the description box if you want to go and check that out. Now I will choose one of these girls, and I'm looking at the colors. I think I will use this one. This will go nicely to the picture. And then I will also be using these spring summer quotes for this spread. And these are also for sale on my Etsy shop. Let's finish this spread now with the character and the quote. Now the whimsical art channeling spread is ready, and I really enjoyed doing this because when you start you don't have any idea what you are going to do. It just creates itself, and this kind of art journaling makes me happy. Of course, there are many ways to do whimsical art journalings. Imagination is the only limit. This is my recipe for whimsical art journaling. First, you do the background. You just spread paint however you like. And then you can paint the paper with some watercolors, and then you draw the simple shapes and cut them. And to finalize the spread, you add some marker decorations and maybe a character and a quote. But yes, hope you enjoyed the video. I want to wish you many magical art journaling moments. Thank you so much for watching, and a warm thank you also to the Taiga Patreon creative community. Until next time, moi moi!